Well, hello, folks. How are everybody? Or how is everyone? Good to see you guys. Mike, good to see you. And I see Jalen is here as well watching, and hopefully someone else shoots in. Thank you, Mike, for the kind thing. Smash that like button or thumbs up or whatever you do in all your different devices. This one today is a tip on basically it's how important your history uh, is to help you get back to find something or search something. And sometimes you can save things. A lot of times we save them in bookmarks and stuff. So I'm going to go over bookmarks and history and stuff like that and kind of show you really quick. This is an awesome tip. I did it back in 2019, I think 6-7 years ago. And I wanted to revisit this. I did bookmarks, but bookmark history I'm going to touch on because I can show you how important it is, because there's times when I come in with the same setup almost every single time, and I love it. It's awesome. I know where everything is and I can go right to it. Sometimes I lose it. I'm going to share that with you today and show you how to get it back, and that's what we're going to show you. So let's get right to it. I'm going to share my screen. Let me go do that. Let me try and do it this way. I'm going to try and do it. Yeah, I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm going to try it, okay? Because we're always tinkering here. So I'm going to try and share my screen in a special way. So let's do this. I'm going to try it using StreamYard this time. I always try and do things different ways so I can learn some stuff. So I'm going to use the StreamYard app versus doing my own OBS type thing. So I'm going to go in here, and we're going to go into here and bring it up on screen. So now it adds it on screen. Hopefully that does that. One thing I wanted to see, though, I have software that called Zoom It, and I wanted to see if it zoomed in, and it does not. So I'm not going to do it that way. All right. I wanted to, but it doesn't work with that because it's working through the StreamYard system. All right. Thanks for being patient with me. All right. Just wasted a bunch of time there, didn't I? All right. Let's get right to it. I'm going to go into my normal screen share. Okay. So here I have here's my spreadsheet. Not my spreadsheet. Here is my open Chrome, and I really want you to see the top part because it's real important you see this. Up here, you can actually, I didn't know if you knew this or not, but with a video image, let's say this is my tab and I call it video image. This is when I'm getting ready to create a video and I have all my image stuff there, and it has about 10, 16 things. I can open that up and do that from there. If I'm working on Google stuff, I can open. But what's cool they have now, just so you can see, if I right click, you see here, now I can open them in specific ways. Let's say I want to open them all up in a new window, or I want to open them in a new tab group. This is super cool that they allow you to do this. And what I love about this is what's so cool. If I do it in any one of those, let's just do it for fun. Let's just open in I didn't hit right click and hit open in a new window. Are you sure you want to open 16 tabs? Because that's a lot. That is kind of a lot. Let's just look at something else, see if there's less. Okay, the 8, that's good. So let's open it up in a new window. Boom, there we go. So it opens all of those things that were in my bookmarks. So you can open stuff up this way and work on specific things. Let's say you're working on a project, and all of my Yahoo that I have here, this is all my fantasy stuff and login and my email and all that kind of stuff. I can do that. One thing that's very frustrating, though, and this is why I even did this, I wanted to do this tip today, was with the history, was because let's say I'm working on this right here, this tab, brand new tab, open, I have it sitting there. And for whatever reason, I closed this other tab, my one that I love that I have. Well, what happens is I have it set up to remember whatever my last thing is. So if I close this tab right now, and I'm going to come down here to the bottom, and I'm going to click on Chrome, which is right down here. I have it on pinned to my bottom. So I'm going to click that. And what happens is it will open whatever I had open last. And if you notice, I'm in StreamYard showing you this right now. That's the last tab. Well, that's not what I want. I want to be able to, or it'll open and it'll just show that one tab that was there. Well, I don't want that. I want all of those back. So what you can do is you can go over here to the three dots, click on history right here, and you can see 33 tabs I have. That's the one I want. That's recent tabs. Well, I definitely want to bring that back. So to do that, I have to go to the three dots, history, 33 tabs, and then over here, you'll see it says, let me see if I can get it here. Yeah, restore window. That's exact, or Control-Shift-T works too, but restore window is the key. That is the key. Restore that window for that 33 tabs. That's what I want to do. So I'm going to click on it, go into history, go to the 33 tabs, restore the window, and boom, they all come back. Now notice all the groups are open. I just close them. Let me just close all these groups, and I'm back to normal, back to a normal tab. Boom, I'm good to go. And that's it. Hopefully that helps you. If you ever have an issue where, oh my gosh, I lost all my tabs, I had them open right where I wanted to, all that kind of stuff, go into your history, check it out, get it that way. And I love the feature also, that's why I wanted to show you this one, where you right click on bookmarks. You can open these in an incognito window, open a new tab. If you're working on a bunch of files, you can put them all together and you want to come back to them. It's a great way to organize it, put it in a new window. Instead of creating a bookmark, create a tab based on a bookmark. That's all I got. That's the tip for today, and hopefully that helps anyone who's looking for some help on this kind of stuff. Super fun and cool. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. And Jolyn says that is a terrific feature they've added. I've not seen it yet, but I right click to save my reading panel all the time. This is new and very cool. Yep, absolutely. And you're welcome. No problem. All right. I will have the backstage open for members of our community. If you are a member, you will see a little circle next to your name right here. Shows that you are a member at the $7.99 or $9.99 level or above, and you can come in and you can join us in the backstage, because it's always after each event we have a backstage and we do a tip every day. Come on in. We'd love to see you. See you next time. Bye all. Oh, maybe if I can get out of here. I always have trouble with this. I don't know why. Have a good one, folks.